everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to complete our love theme and create a beautiful weekly layout. But before we get started, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Let's get started. My weekly layouts always start out like this. I write down a few things that are happening for the week. I know that things are happening for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day. And what I like to do is just write them in, scribble them in, and then later on when I finally get to decorate the planner, I can fix them or, rewrite them nice and neatly. So first, I'm going to take from my sticker book these beautiful little daily stickers, and what I really love about them is that you can mark off each day when you're done by just checking off that little circle. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into my Valentine's Day sticker sheet, and I'm going to take off the days of the week that I need, which is the 1st to the 7th. And then what I'm going to do is, first of all, I want to block out that line at the back, because since I'm going to be using these little hearts, I don't want that line to show. So I'm just using the 1st to the 7th, as you can see, and now I'm going to block off the background. As I mentioned before in the last video, when I'm doing something on a gradient background, I take the entire thing like this and take a screenshot, not just one little section, because it won't look right when you're trying to cover it up. So now that I do this, I stretch it so that it goes across the gradient, and that way it looks more natural. So you might have some planners that have a gradient effect when it comes to shadowing to make it more realistic, like my planner does. But if you don't, all you have to do is circle a little thing like this, just like this, with your lasso tool and paste, and it will look perfect as well. So now that everything is covered up, we are going to lasso the, if I could just lasso it, and use our lasso tool to move the numbers up. Remember to cut and paste, because if you already had your numbers on the screen, it will go behind the blocking part that we have. So I'm just doing that right now, copy and paste it so that it comes on top, and now I can place them exactly where I want them to go. Wonderful, everything is set. Now we're gonna go in and mark off the times that I'm working for the week and continue to add stickers. And once again, I decided to flip over to the side. Why do I always do this? I really wonder. But this time I'm trying to keep it a little bit straight. So I'm gonna rearrange that by just using the lasso tool and clicking on resize. Since this is a new month, I'm going to write in my days as I usually do. And the first is on a Monday, which is a perfect week. And I'm going to just fill in the numbers. Usually on the first week of the month is when we do our main grocery shopping. So I have to find my grocery shopping bag. And one of the stickers that I love is from TWG Designs, and it is the Food Planner Icons clip art. And I will link it down below because I love these stickers, you guys. Super cute. Look at that bag. I really love this sticker pack because it has really cute a vitamin sticker, and I definitely want to get back into taking my daily vitamins, my prenatal vitamins, and I'm going to go ahead and put a tracker alongside it so that I can mark off the days that I took my vitamins just to make sure I'm keeping track and being healthy. Also guys, I realized as I'm editing the video that I'm talking extremely low because it's super early in the morning, and I don't know, I just, as the video goes on, my voice is like this, can you hear me? So anyways, yes, it is early in the morning and I'm editing this video. So if you're wondering why my voice is so low, that is why. But a lot of you guys are so sweet and you're like, I love your voice. So, you know, hopefully this doesn't bother you that it's so quiet. Alright, so in my planner I have go-to stickers. These are the stickers I constantly turn to, especially my payday sticker, day off sticker, those types of things. So I think I got these from Victoria Thatcher, if I'm not mistaken. And I just cropped them so that I can use them all the time when it's payday or when I have a day off or something like that. Really quickly I can get to them in my planner. But mostly, as you see, I always swipe to the side and go to my stickers section in my files folder. I don't really keep all my stickers in Goodnotes because I don't want it to lag. I have a lot of stickers, you guys. A lot. Comment down below if you think you have more than like 2,000 stickers. I probably have more than that, to be honest. So now that all that is done, I'm going to write in my personal goals, my work goals, and my to-do list. And I always do this last because I have a lot of things to do and sometimes I don't even remember them right when I'm decorating. But as I go along in the week, I can fill them in and do the rest. But so far, I do have a few personal goals, which is to listen to the Stephen Furtick preach sermon. And I didn't do that Sunday. Usually I do plan on Sunday, but because I didn't, I had a busier Sunday, I'm planning this on a Monday. So I'm hoping that during the week I can make time for this sermon and, you know, do all the other things that I have to do for the week. So yes, I like to do this last. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really truly appreciate it, and I'm so happy that you guys are here. You're making my dreams come true on YouTube. I am so thankful that I have reached 1K subscribers. Like, this is absolutely amazing, and all of you who have subscribed, I really appreciate you, and I thank you so much, and welcome to the fam. As always, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!